Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus Nord 2 that our customer attempted to repair themselves, and we're gonna fix it right this time. So let's get to it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to assess how far our customer has gone into this repair, and it seems to me that they have bought the correct part and attempted to open the back cover, and maybe they got cold feet and didn't continue with the repair. But upon testing, the replacement display is indeed working with the motherboard. So we're gonna continue with our disassembly process to complete the repair. So the cameras are also working, so that's all good. I'm gonna turn this off for now, detach the replacement display, and put that to the side. So we're gonna remove the cover for the main board. We're gonna undo a lot of screws here, remove the cover, and now we're gonna disconnect the battery and all the connectors you can see here on the lower part of the main board. We're also gonna remove a lot of miscellaneous parts. Also the front camera will go. There's still screws holding onto the main board. We're gonna pry it off slowly because a lot of connectors are interfering on the lower part of the main board. We're also going to detach the screws and the connectors to the daughter board at the bottom, which handles the charging. And of course you can see where the display is connected also on the daughter board. So you can see a lot of boards dangling on the lower part, so we're gonna track where they go. We're gonna detach the connectors and the antenna cables, and here you can see that the battery is like two cells fused into one, so we're gonna be very careful not to bend it extremely. We're also gonna reuse this adhesive strip from the old display assembly, because the display, as you can see here, is also partly responsible for holding on all the components of this OnePlus Nord 2. So when you replace the display, you're most likely going to replace the housing as well. So after the repair, your smartphone will completely look brand new, and that's a good thing about fixing this OnePlus Nord 2. The main problem with the OnePlus Nord 2 is there's a lot of cables that had to be removed, especially this one. If you try to strip it and break one of these flat cables, the smartphone will not be fully functional afterwards, and you have to source another part that you damaged while fixing the display. So all of the components that we have removed from the old display will be transplanted to the new one. So this is going to be a reverse process of what we did a while ago. So the flex cables that I told you about will go in, so we secure it underneath the battery. Also this twin flex cables, and of course the antenna cables and the daughter board components will have to go in next. The last part that will be going in are the battery and the cover for the main board, and by that time we can test them to see if the whole smartphone is working in a partly assembled state. So if you have problems with your own repairs, we encourage users who are interested to fix their own devices. But if you're not sure if you can do it on your own, you can still go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, take the parts that you're working with, and we'll finish it for you. And if you're not really sure on the problem that you will be facing on your DIY repair, don't be shy. David is here to assist you. And this OnePlus Nord 2 is properly fixed for now, and we'll see. We're gonna put back all the screws here, and all that is left is to cover it up with a back cover. But first, let's test it. So if you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we also offer mail-in repair service, wherein you send in your broken smartphone, we fix it here in the shop, and then once done and okay, we'll send it back to your address through mail. And voila, we are done with this OnePlus Nord 2. You can see some cracks on the back cover, but it's not gonna matter because the front and the sides are all looking brand new. That's David there. Good job, David. Cameras all functional. Buttons, the display and the touchscreen in good working order. So thanks for joining, guys. I hope you liked this video. Click like and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.